Hello friends, this is the introduction of this program, Igbo Amaka, the spoken Igbo, learning how to speak Igbo language. We are going to begin with self-introduction, that is, introducing yourself. You know, when you are meeting someone for the first time, especially somebody you've not met before, it's important most of the times to introduce yourself. If you speak any language, it's important you know how to introduce yourself in that language so that you can actually communicate. So that's what we are going to be doing in this video. Yes, when you meet someone for the first time, the first thing to do is greetings and then you introduce yourself. If it is morning time, in English you say good morning, which means ụtụtụ ọma in Igbo. Ụtụtụ ọma, afternoon time, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma, because afternoon simply means ehihie in Igbo language. So you say ehihie ọma or ndewo. You can say ehihie ọma in the afternoon or ndewo. If it is evening time or night time and you are meeting somebody, you greet that person good evening. In Igbo language, you can also say ndewo in the evening. Ndewo. Then if it is somebody you want to say good night, you want to tell good night, then it means kachifo. Kachifo, that means that the person is going to bed. All right. So having greeted that person, then you go ahead to introduce yourself to that person. That is, if your name is Emeka, you can now say, my name is Emeka. Aha m bụ Emeka. I am from, assuming you want to tell the person your village, your community, your state, and maybe your nation, your country. You can say, I am from Obubuago in Iwolo Onge in Eziago local government of Enugu State, Nigeria, West Africa. How do you say it in Igbo? Abụ m onye Ogbugbuagụ nke dị na Iwologhe, nke dị na mpaghara ọchịchị ime obodo Eziagụ, nke dị na Enugu State, nke dị na Nigeria, West Africa. But then, if you don't want to tell the person about your village, maybe you want to tell the person your office where you are coming from, or maybe the street where you are coming from, the location you are coming from in that city, you can now say, I am from 6th Avenue, which is in Owane, in this Enugu State. How do you say that in Igbo? Esim na 6th Avenue, nke dị na mpaghara Owane, nke dị na Enugu State. Then you want to tell the person your office where you are coming from, you can now say, I am coming from King's College. Esim na King's College, Wabia. I am coming from King's College. Then you want to ask the person his name. You cannot ask, what is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Then the person will respond and tell you all the things you need to know, just like you have told him. Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Then the next thing we are going to learn in this particular video is the parts of your body. The parts of your body. And I want you to look at this diagram. Now, as you can see, this is the head. And that is what we call isi in Igbo. Isi. Isi. the eye, anya, the mouth, ọnụ, the breast, ara, the stomach, afọ, the fingers, mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka, your entire leg from here to here is ụkwụ. Then your toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ, your toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ. The ear is called ntị, ntị. The nose, imi. The jaw, agba. The neck, olu. The neck, olu. The heart region, obi, obi, obi. Then your hand, as in from here down to here, aka in Igbo, aka. Then the knee, ikpere ụkwụ, the knee, ikpere ụkwụ, ikpere ụkwụ.